Good morning. So we've now managed to get up one level of the wood fiberboard. Looks like this. It's quite nice to work with. It's easy to cut and trim down to the right sizes that we need, which is what we've been doing. And we just shoot the staples into it and get it up there, which completes the kind of shell of the facade, without of course the finishing part of it. But it's good like this. We managed to get one side done in one day, so we'll probably be able to get the other two sides done, yeah, 2 days, and then the third side where we've finished now the paneling, the framework for the flat roof part. We had rain last night, so this is going to be a bit of a test of how watertight it is. It looks like we've built a bit of a swimming pool up there, but that's not quite the case. Hopefully, if any water did come in, it's run out of these pipes we've got sticking out, these three. But I'll give that a little look. Okay. Yeah, it's wet, but everything underneath here seems to be dry, so that's good. So we've basically got these highly compressed wood boards on here. And so the strongest thing we can put up there, gives it a good stable base. And the bitumen matting is something that we've done, as you can see, right up against the house, all over and all up the sides. So it should be enough. And now we've been able to put the scaffolding on so that we can finish off this side of the house. So yeah, this week we should have the wood fibre boards up, and then in a couple of weeks our guys will come to do the insulation. So it's a good job. Laura, we're going to plant some plants. Yeah.
There's stones?
Yeah, there's stones. Yeah. Should we open the car?
Yeah.
See what's in there?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at all those plants. Yeah, those ones we'll probably take home again. Yeah. Looks like you're still wearing some of your breakfast. Which one? This one?
Yeah.
This next one?
Yeah.
Okay.